Welcome to EcoPlants. Today we will show you how to grow one of the most popular and useful vegetable, the tomato, right at home. Tomato grow very well in pot and container, and with the right care you can get a big harvest even in small palace. Why grow tomato at home? First, is easy to grow in pot or grow bag. Fresh chemical free tomatoes at home save money and taste better. Fun and satisfying gardening experience, and many varieties cherry, desi, roma and hybrid grow at home in very easy way. What you need for grow tomato? First is tomato seed or seedling, pot or grow bag like 12 to 15-inch deep, and rich potting mix, compost or cow dung manure, watering can or spray bottle, and a sunny spot like 6 to 8 hours sunlight in a day. How to grow tomato step by step? Step first is choose seedling or seeds. Buy seeds from a nursery or online, or buy healthy disease free seedling. Soak seed for 6 to 8 hours for faster germination. Step second in prepare the pot and soil. Choose a pot 12 to 18-inch deep with drainage holes. Soil is 50% garden soil plus 30% compost and 20% cocopeat ya sand. Fill the pot and water slightly. Step 3 is sowing and transplanting. For seed, sow 2 to 3 seed about 0.5 inch deep. Cover lightly with soil. For seedling, transplant when 6 to 8 inch tall. Water gently and keep in semi-shade for 2 to 3 days. Sunlight and temperature. Tomato need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Best growing season is spring and post monsoon like April and August. Ideal temperature is 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Watering tips: keep soil moist but not wet. Water when topsoil feel dry. Avoid watering on leaves to prevent disease. Use mulch to retain moisture. Tomato plant growth stage: 5 to 10 days germination and 3 to 4 weeks seedling growth, and 6 to 8 weeks flowering begin, and 2 to 3 month fruit setting and harvesting start. Care and maintenance: add compost every 20 to 30 days. Remove side shoots and suckers to promote fruit growth. Support plant with a stick or tomato cage. Use neem spray for pests like aphid, mealybug. When to harvest tomato? Tomato are ready 60 to 80 days after planting. Harvest when fully color and slightly soft. Pick regularly to encourage more fruit. Bonus tips for you: choose compact or dwarf variety for pot. Rotate plant after each season to prevent soil disease. Save seeds from ripe tomato for next planting. Banana peel or tea water can be used as a natural fertilizer. Tomato are one of the easiest and most rewarding plant to grow at home. With just one pot, you can enjoy a regular supply of fresh, juicy tomato from your own garden. If you like this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to EcoPlants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.